So, beginning with creation, first of all, there's absolute nothingness. And then, with the divine will of Supreme God, the universe comes into being. Exactly how that happens, when it happens, and how long this universe will last is the topic of this lecture. So first we start with absolute nothingness. Then there is creation, then there's nothingness, and then there's creation. And this cycle is eternal, non-ending. It's been going on since eternity, and this cycle will never end. There will always be creation, there will always be no creation, and there will always be creation again. And when this universe is in its evolved physical state, then we call that srishti. That's the Sanskrit word for creation of the universe. And that means sakar. The universe takes a form which we can see. And we all know that we can see the planets and the stars and the moon and the sun. That is sakar, creation. Then pralay is the dormant state of the universe when nothing exists. Nirakar. So this universe has no form. There's nothing to see. It dissolves completely. So what are the powers which are involved in this creation? First power, of course, is God. Ishavasya sarvam yat kincha jagatyam jagat tena tyaktena bhunjitha ma gridha kasyas vidhanam. Ishavasya Upanishad says that God is everything in this universe, and God is omnipresent in this universe. So there is nowhere in this creation where God is not. And God is the cause of this entire creation. He permeates each and every living being. So, first power of creation is God Himself. God's role in creation is to guide the creation of the universe. And then He becomes everything. And He activates three powers which are dormant during no creation. The powers are there, they never go anywhere. Powers cannot be created or destroyed. They are also eternal. Just as God is eternal, our soul is eternal. So these powers reside all the time. And the three powers, Maya, Kal, which means time, and Karma, which means our actions. Whatever we have done in our uncountable numbers of past lives is karma. And I'll go over each one of these powers. So Maya evolves the universe. Maya is a power, but it has no life, it has no mind, it has no intelligence. Without the power of God, Maya can do nothing. But it is the cosmic power which maintains this universe, which functions this universe. So it maintains an endless cycle after creation of birth, decline, death, and rebirth. So once we're born, we begin to age, our health declines, and then we die, and then we take birth again. And this also is an endless cycle. And everything in this universe is under three qualities of Maya: Sattvic, Rajas, Tamas. And that is the pious quality, the impious quality, and the neutral quality. So because we are living in this Mayic world, we are made of Maya. Our minds are made of Maya. And so these three qualities, Sat, Raj, Tam, are in our mind. These three qualities are everywhere in this creation that we see. So we're always under the influence of a pious thought, an impious thought, or neutral thought. We have never found that person in this world who is all good all the time. It's impossible, because we're under Maya. And we've never found that person who is all bad all of the time. So all of us are a mixture of these three qualities. And yes, some of the good qualities may predominate more in people, like an audience who wishes to come to a temple and listen about the Vedic knowledge, would have more sattvic predominance in their mind. But that's not there all the time. We all have negative thoughts. We all do things that are wrong. We all do pap. We're committing sins. So, according to... This seemed to have gotten a little lower. Can you hear me?
You can hear.
Okay. So, according to our quality of mind, we do actions. This verse from Vedas, Aja mekam lohita shukla krishnam vahvi rajah srijamanam sarupa ajo yeko jushamano nushete jahatyenam bhukta bhogam ajonya. This verse describes those three qualities of Maya as three colors, Lohita, Shukla, Krishnam, as red, white, and black. So the white quality, the white color, refers to sattvic quality of Maya. The red color refers to the neutral or the selfish quality of Maya. And the Krishnam refers to the negative or the impious or the tamasic quality of Maya. And these three qualities predominate throughout this creation. If you all could... Okay, the second energy that helps to function this universe is Kal. Kal is the time factor. So Kal, when Kal is driven by God to begin functioning, that is the beginning of this universe, when time starts. And Kal is responsible for creating the forward motion in this universe. Everything is always, time moves ahead, right? We never think of time going backwards. It never travels backwards. Time goes ahead. Time is responsible for aging. If there were no time, we would all be the same age forever. But we're not. So, aging means that from the time the universe is created, it's constantly moving towards its death, called pralay. And from the moment we are born, we are constantly moving towards our death. So every living entity in this universe is governed by time. The third power is karma. And as I mentioned, these are the actions which we have done in all of our accumulated past lives and all of the actions which we will do in the future. So God evokes that power of karma. It's a power.